Hello everyone, welcome to this market analysis video in which we see the market structure of Bitcoin price from top down analysis. Let's start with the weekly time frame. Here we can see that price is forming the double bottom structure with a strong 2 weeks strong bearish candles. Bears are in control and price dropped to its 27 June low, which is 19,215 level. Now let's start our analysis. Here I draw some levels in the Bitcoin price in which we see that the after the massive drop in the Bitcoin price from the high of $25,000 from 15 August, price dropped towards retrace and drop to its this trend line. Here price test three times previously, and now price is holding this level. So here we can see that the clear market structure is bearish market structure, and price is holding this trend line support and the level of 19,000 support area. So here we can see that price is holding this level. This is a bearish structure. I'm seeing that price is holding this and then price break out this level, this trend line, and retest this trend line and drop towards this strong level of support, which is around about $18,800 to $18,700, which is 17th June, uh, 4 July and 13 July low point. So here in the daily time frame, price is bearish, and we can see that price is drop. We can see if price break this trend line, we can see that the price drop to its support area of 18,000, and then if break this support, then price to coming towards this low of 18 to 20 June low and fill this week and drop toward is this support area and hold this level. All right, now let's go toward the smaller time frame on the 4 hour chart. Here we can see that price is consolidation from last some days. Here we can see that price is consolidation from around about 8 days, and price is holding this level. Here we can see that the price, if price come to this resistance, here we can see if price how react this level. If price hold this and coming, we can see for bearish candle in 4 hour, like bearish engulfing or kind of pin bar. So you can short from here, and your target is this. All right, this support area of 19,600, and you can see this area. If price hold this level of support, then you can exit from here. But here you can exit from here, but if price hold this area, then you can exit. But if price break this area, then you can hold your position to the target of this area. Right, don't come to this area like this. Price break this support, retest, and then coming towards this level. All right, here you can see that the volume is also high. This area price break this POC area and coming towards this resistance and rejecting from here. This trend line is very important. If trend line broken, if this trend line broken, then we can see that price coming towards this coming to test this level of 21,200 EMA. But the price is very bearish, so we can see that if price coming toward this level of resistance, which is 2200, you can see looking for the bearish candle, then you can short position for the target of this area if price break this. And we can see that in the coming days Bitcoin price is around about 18,000 area, and then price drop toward, and right we can see again market structure of sideways, like 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 this price drop, this market structure, this market structure like of bearish wedge or bearish channel, then price drop and in rectangle. Now wait for the breakout of this area, then we can see that price is coming towards this area of support.